it's Megan Curly and I'm back, of course, for another video, but I'm not gonna do a reaction video today, guys. I'm going to do something different and fun. You know this. I stay up too late, got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates. Not really, but I can make them say. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I still can't stop, won't stop moving. It's that I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Cause the player's gonna play, and the hater's gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake it out. Ayun, sorry guys sa background noise ko. Dahil umuulan pa po sa labas. You know naman, tag-ulan na naman. Kaya stay safe. Dahil kung na-receive nyo po yung notification nyo sa phone nyo, may nag-notify sa akin na emergency red alert. It says that, matinding pag-ulan sa Metro Manila, dulot ng habagat na pinalakas ng TS Domeng, asahan na matinding pagbaha at landslide. No. Maging alerto at handa. So, ayun guys. Huwag muna po tayong lumanders-landers sa labas. Charot, gumala-gala sa labas. Hayaan po muna natin matapos ang trip ng ulan. Okay? Tsaka sana naman hindi po mangyari yung mga hindi dapat mangyari. So, ayun. No, I'm not gonna talk about it anymore, guys. Ayoko naman maging jinx. So, okay. So, wala ba kayo napapansin today? Ayun na. Medyo natatawa na rin ako, guys. So, ayun. Itong lips ko, actually, para ako nagpa-lip lip filler. Fully naman talaga siya, diba? So, ayun, lip filler. Kasi yung sister ko kanina, yung little sister ko, mahilig kasi niya sa makeup. So, medyo magkaiba kami. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa ganun. And, sabi niya, what are you gonna do? So, sabi ko naman, gagawa ko ng video today. It was really boring. And then, she told me, can I do something on your lips? I was like, okay. Hindi yan. And then, she told me, I have this new lipstick. I was like, okay. Okay, put it on. And ito na nangyari, guys. So, she worked hard for it. So, hindi ko siya maburahin. I mean, appreciate ko yun. I'm such a sweet sister, you know. And, why not? You know, it's for change, diba? Hindi talaga ako sanay, guys. Sorry. Anyways, pagtawanan niyo ako. It's okay. I don't care. I don't pretty much care. Diba? Spread the love and happiness and positivity. Alright guys, so for today's video, I am going to do a Disney song challenge. So yun, kakantahin natin yung mga memorable Disney song na talaga naman nag-hit, diba? So, tignan natin kung makakanta natin siya na maayos. Okay guys, huwag niyo po akong sisisihin kung bumagyo ulit. Okay, let's do this. Alright guys, first song. Part of your world. Alam niyo yun, guys. I love Little Mermaid. Para siyang Legend of the Blue Sea. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Would you think my collection's complete? Would you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this drop. Treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure she's got everything. I got gadgets and gizmos and pennies. I got woosies and wazits galore. You wanna think of mouse? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, strolling around those. Okay, I'm so wrong, guys. I messed up the lyrics already. Flipping your things, you don't get too far. Legs are required from jumping and dancing, strolling along What's the word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. Wish I could be. Alam mo guys, na-mess up ko yung lyrics. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun. Alam ko to eh. Wow. Alam ko to guys eh. I know every word. Okay, but moving on. Moving on, guys. Moving on. Yeah, then. I'm pretty sure you know this song, guys. I'm pretty sure. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be a perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where cannot go, where I long to be. See the light where the skies makes you see, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I could roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I can satisfy if I play along, but a voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the line where the sky. Oh jeez, I messed up already. Another song. Okay, it's been a hit, guys. The snow glows white on a mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Say it slow. Oh my G. Kasi dalawang version siya, diba? Nalilito ako kay Demi. Let it storm rain shine. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance can everything seem small. Okay, another song to mess it up, guys. Harap na naman tayo ng song. Tale is all this time, true as it can be. Guys, I don't usually, I know this song, pero hindi ko na siya usually kinakanta. So, ayun. Okay, moving on, guys. Moving on. Alam niyo to, guys. I love Mulan. Look at me. You might think you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day acts as if I play a part. Paano may kanta siya? Now I see If I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. May vocal background voice right? Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? This song is quite popular. You know this. Alam niyo to, guys. Let's do this. Yes. All my life has been a series of thorns in my face, and then suddenly bump into you. Yes. Guy version here. And baby, it's a party talking chocolate fondue, but with you, I see your face, and it's nothing like I've never known before. Love is an open. Wow. Love is an open door. Yeah. This song is from Anastasia. We were strangers, staring out of a journey, never dreaming what we have to go through. Now here we are, at the suddenly standing at the beginning with you. No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is a start. And love is a road that I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. You're broken down and tired of living lives in a merry-go-round. Ngunit di mo paliwanag, Yes! Lagi ko pinapakinggan yun, guys. Kaya alam na lang po. Parang ayoko na tapusin yung kanta. Pag-ibig ba'y takpat at parang lumilipad. Ikaw na nga, ikaw na nga. Sa iyong tabi, ang puso'y di mapakali, ngunit di mapaliwanag, di mapaliwanag. Pag-ibig sa'yo'y tumitingin. How about a million reasons? If I had an highway, I would run for the hills. If you could find a dry way, I'd forever be still. But you're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Baby, you're the man. But I get the power. You make rain. I'll make it shower. You should know I'm the one who's in control. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko, guys. Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? Bye-bye, guys. Just a little. You just meet me